Russia's military-industrial complex has just revealed a groundbreaking new tactical UAV, the TraMP, short for Transport Aviation Multipurpose Platform. Dubbed TraMP by the Russian military, this drone is designed to revolutionize logistical support and operations in hard-to-reach areas. The TraMP UAV is currently undergoing intense ground testing, with its first flight scheduled for April 2025. This cutting-edge UAV has some impressive capabilities. It can carry up to 250 kilograms of cargo over 600 kilometers, making it a game-changer for transporting supplies to remote and inaccessible regions. Its 2,650-liter cargo compartment is designed to carry large payloads, including those that can be parachuted in for precision drops. The cargo flaps open downwards, allowing for the suspension of shock payloads, adding extra versatility to its design. One of the standout features of the TraMP UAV is its modular structure. This allows for field replacements of key components like the engine, wings, and chassis. With reinforced tires, it can take off and land on short, poorly prepared airstrips, ideal for challenging terrain. It also comes with a built-in cargo and aircraft rescue system, increasing operational flexibility in critical situations. With a cruising speed of 195 km per hour and a ceiling altitude of 3,000 meters, the TraMP UAV is capable of supporting a variety of missions. It can provide logistics in remote areas, act as a communications repeater, and even carry small FPV drones for reconnaissance and tactical support. The introduction of this UAV comes at a time when the global arms industry is pushing forward with similar innovations. The U.S. Army and Marine Corps are working on the Joint Tactical Autonomous Aerial Resupply System (JTARS), which can carry cargo between 136 and 636 kilograms, while companies like Airbus are developing multi-mission UAVs for various operational roles. In the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, the TraMP UAV could provide significant logistical support, helping Russian forces with resupply operations in areas where infrastructure is lacking. Its ability to deliver supplies via parachute drops, combined with its modular design, could make it an invaluable asset to military operations. The UAV's name, TraMP, may be a subtle reference to former U.S. President Donald Trump. Though the exact reasons for the name aren't clear, it could symbolize Russia's complicated relationship with the U.S. and its hopes for a future under Trump's policies. As the TraMP UAV continues its testing phase and prepares for its operational debut, it's clear that drones like this one are going to play an increasingly vital role in modern military strategies. With its flexibility, speed, and cargo capacity, the TraMP UAV could significantly enhance Russia's operational effectiveness in the years to come.